last week my best friend surprise visited me. Like, she came in and we instantly went hiking, we were spearfishing, diving, surfing, all of the things. We even splurged and got a hotel the last couple nights that she was here. I ate some bad calamari or something and ended up getting like the worst food poisoning of my life. I think. I still don't honestly know what it was. I ended up going to the ER 2 times, getting a CT scan, finding out that I had intestinal inflammation. I don't know. My appendix apparently was fine. So I've been just on a broth cleanse. I'm feeling a little bit better. My gut's starting to move. I think I'm still gonna keep it mellow, but it's my sister's birthday today. It's her golden birthday. She's turning 26. Her birthday is May 26th. It's 2026. I got her a staycation. Just gonna keep it mellow, be grateful, see what comes our way. People are sometimes hesitant to come visit Hawaii, I've noticed, especially in the last few years with social media, making people maybe hyper aware of local residents are often left with less because of tourism. All that to say, I don't think you have to completely block Hawaii out, especially if you have friends or family who live here. And there is a way to do sustainable tourism, I believe. I love to travel and I can learn a lot when I go other places, like to Australia, to Japan, about what they're doing in their environments or in their ecosystems, like in their rivers or in their parks, in their neighborhoods, to reduce runoff, to encourage endangered species to thrive, or outplant invasive species, and take some of that knowledge that you get back to Hawaii, and in turn bring some of what I've learned from my days in conservation and education and outreach here in Hawaii over to those new places. And I think it's just a great way to bridge and strengthen connections. Honestly, if you travel Hawaii and you're nervous that you're part of the problem, you're probably not part of the problem. But I do appreciate people coming on to platforms and educating. The biggest thing, just don't treat Hawaii or any place like it's Disneyland. Not even Disneyland. Don't just leave your trash, leave your food, act entitled, and play music loudly on hikes. Be mindful. Just be mindful. Pick up trash when you see it, even if it's not yours. Find ways to get involved in outreach and conservation or volunteering. You can do a beach cleanup, literally just look up volunteer opportunities, and support local. So whenever you can, support local smaller businesses and do your best to source things intentionally and sustainably, no matter where you are, even if you're home. In at the big hotel. Dun, 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 dun. Back from a successful staycation. I just got a really fun watercolor kit, so I really want to try it out. I'm gonna go run to the thrift store and see if there's anything. I have a couple weddings coming up, so I would love to wear something. This is a cute dress my friend Sam got me from a thrift store and to find something similar. But yeah, let's go. Hello. It's like a red light therapy thing. And I'm using this moringa oil. Anywho, it's all packed?
Yeah.
I love when he packs the car.
And I packed 4 more boards because Bryce and Mignon are coming.
Oh, sweet.
They're gonna meet us at
Yay,
the Duke
friends.
statue.
So, pretty popular in Hawaii, I'd say, to go night surfing.
Don't tell them our secrets!
Okay, we're gonna go surfing super early. So we're packing the car, made some sandwiches, so that way we don't have to like leave the beach. Really excited to just spend the whole day there. I do have to leave halfway through for hula, because I've been skipping a lot of hula. I haven't woken up this early in a while. It'll be good practice because we're gonna be sailing again soon since it's summertime. And when we're sailing, usually you just sleep for like 3 or 4 hours at a time because you're taking shifts. And so it's getting us back in that mode, aka dolphin brain. You're sleepy and loopy and delusional all the time. We're gonna try and see how many places we can surf in one day.
We out there.
3 a.m. and we woke up
Here we go. Last night I made...
Hey, oh.
Little too soft, could use a few pounds. Tight pants,
There you go. Just finished our first session at Queens. Packed through some wraps. And grinding. I think we're gonna go get a matcha.
Can I go on this rope?
Yeah. Somehow there's no matcha places awake right now. Then we're gonna go surf again. Trying to decide where we go next. It's better than sparkly water to surf. She's tagging. We just finished hula. So tired. On to the fourth session. Eating musubi for strength to recover.
Scarfing it down.
Scarfing her down with some green tea.
Might need a nap.
Might need a nap. Small short nap before cake.
finished our day of surfing. Ended up getting 4 sessions in. Thought we were gonna get to 5, but I had hula and also was just straight up exhausted. So sore. I'm glad I just didn't dislocate my shoulder because sometimes when I surf too much I dislocate it, my left one. But I was having like elbow problems, so I'm old, I guess. I think it's like when I duck dive too slow. So like longboarding helps a little bit and just stretching it. But yeah, it was so fun. We surfed. Saw a lot of people. Like surfing is so awesome. It's great that that's how you see your people, you know? You don't have to go to like a bar or anything. You just can catch up in the water. Pretty special. It brings me comfort when I see turtles or honu because they wouldn't be there if there was a shark, right? That's my logic. Don't tell me it's wrong. Yeah, it was honestly the funnest day ever. I felt it's easy to get lost in all the things you think you have to do, and setting aside a day to just play is so underrated. I mean, just having a simple mission in mind and going with it and letting the world happen to you is so refreshing in a world where everything feels like it needs to get done, and that you have to be efficient and productive and all these things, get everything done. It's like, it'll get done. That's so much fun. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that it made you excited or maybe made you think of your own dream day for yourself or with friends to share. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Make aloha.